So this is my, I think it's maybe 4 or 5 times in the Computex, and I really like a vibe here, and I can meet a lot of different friends from even a big company or a startup company.
Computex and Innovex, of course, represent the cutting edge for the IT industry worldwide. I mean, there are exhibitions that have a global renown and attract the top companies and the top executives from all over the world.
The French Pavilion is very happy to be back at Computex Taipei this year. We do see that in this zone of Innovex, there are a lot of opportunities to connect with Taiwanese and Asian ICT companies who are amazing startups.
Hi, I'm Garage Plus, and this time we bring the 37 exhibiting startups from 9 countries. So in the past, our startups have been received $7.2 million at the Innovex. So this year, after the COVID-19 years, we are very looking forward our startup can break record in 2023 Innovex.
So this is our very first time to join the Computex on behalf of the Firestone Telecom 5G Startup Accelerator. So our mission is to bring the startups to go to global to win the opportunity from the enterprise and the government based on 5G technology and the big data, IoT, and the AI.
The first time we participated was before COVID. This time it's much crowded because after COVID we were all eager to gather and to network. And Innovex, we participate because we want to showcase the technology, the innovation and startups from Flanders, the northern region of Belgium. Here, we also like to collaborate with potential partners in Taiwan, also other international partners.
Welcome to Innovative Poland, where we are going to present you 3 different companies that are with us today, this time at Innovex.
I think it's similar. I mean, it's very well organized. There's also some international flavor to it, which helps making the organization more relevant, of course. There's very good context. I think the combination of both, I mean, is very interesting because on the one hand you see the manufacturing side, on the other hand you see the innovation side. So it's a very good combination of 2 events.